In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to hide layers in Canva, a great way to temporarily remove elements without deleting them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a game changer for anyone working on complex Canva projects. Have you ever wanted to see what your design looks like without certain elements, but you're not ready to delete them permanently? Maybe you're comparing different versions or just decluttering your workspace temporarily. This hiding technique is the perfect solution, and it's surprisingly simple. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the layer or element you want to hide. Then look at the toolbar above your design for the transparency icon. It looks like a square with a checkered pattern. This transparency tool is one of Canva's most underrated features. You can find it in the toolbar that appears at the top of your screen whenever you select an element. If you're on mobile, the interface looks slightly different, but the transparency option is still available in the editing menu. This works for any element, text, images, shapes, stickers, or even entire groups of objects. Click it and a slider will appear. Slide it all the way down to 0, and the layer will become completely invisible. As you move the slider, you'll notice the element gradually fading. This is also useful if you want semi-transparent effects, not just hiding elements completely. For instance, setting transparency to 50% can create beautiful watermark effects or subtle background patterns. But for hiding purposes, take it all the way to 0. Don't worry, the layer isn't deleted. It's just transparent, giving the effect of being hidden. To check your layers, right-click on your design and hover over the layer option. This is crucial to understand. Your element is still there, just invisible. It maintains its position, size, and all other properties. This means you won't lose any of your careful placement or sizing work. Think of it like an invisibility cloak for your design elements. The element is still taking up space in your project, so other elements won't shift or move into its place. Click Show Layers to see a list of all layers and confirm which ones are hidden. When you want the layer back, simply move the transparency slider up, and it'll reappear. And that's it. The Layers panel is your best friend when working with complex designs. It shows you everything in your project, even the invisible elements. You can click on any layer in this list to select it, even if it's currently hidden at 0% transparency. This is super helpful when you have multiple hidden elements and need to find a specific one. Pro tip, you can also rename your layers to keep things organized, especially useful for designs with dozens of elements. This method is perfect for experimenting with layouts and managing complex designs without losing any content. Happy designing! This technique is invaluable for so many scenarios. Use it when creating multiple design variations to show clients, when you want to compare before and after versions, when decluttering your workspace to focus on specific sections, or when you're undecided about including certain elements. It's also great for creating animated presentations where elements appear and disappear. Many professional designers use this method daily to streamline their workflow and maintain creative flexibility. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tricks and tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me what design challenge you're currently working on. I love creating content based on your requests. Also, check out my other Canva tutorials in the playlist below, especially the one on layer management and organization. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating amazing designs.